Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to hide stream previews on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner chat experience or just prefer not to see those little pop-up previews when someone is streaming, I'll walk you through the updated steps to get it done in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Voice. Tap on Voice to open up all the voice-related settings. This is where you can tweak how Discord handles voice chats and streams on your device. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down through the voice settings, and you'll find a section called Stream Previews. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Hide Stream Previews. There will be a toggle switch right next to it. If the switch is gray, that means stream previews are currently visible. To hide them, just tap the toggle so it turns blue. And that's it. Stream previews will no longer pop up when someone is streaming in your Discord servers. This simple change can make your Discord experience a lot less cluttered, especially if you're in a lot of servers where people stream often. If you ever want to turn stream previews back on, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Discord tips. See you in the next video.